specific spot in the city of Orange where the park, well, it's not a park, but it's more of a creek, as you see here. And the creek, when it's flooded on rainy seasons, it goes down here to this area where you see the cement all the way down there, and it's actually a temporary creek slash parking lot. So it probably gets flooded down here when it's the raining season. And I kind of find it really interesting in how a creek goes in within the parking lot here in the city of Orange, down to all the way down there. There's small little tunnels that goes in the middle, and I'll show you more on the other side of this creek, which is finding really interesting. Right now it's dry season, so it's perfect to drive around it and in and out. Section right here, go down to this area, like a little tunnel, keeps going down straight down to that parking all the way up there. And that's what I'm finding interesting, to see more of how it ends, but the creek continues to go after this parking lot. So this parking lot is probably just like a temporary parking lot, and never thought this existed somewhere here in Orange County. So just keep going and see what else we can find. Okay, you see there, now the creek stops. Well, the parking lot stops there and the creek continues. I'm gonna go check more of that. So as you see, the creek right there in the bottom, all that's where it gets flooded. If it gets flooded, it goes down the stream to the creek down there next to the pedestrian bridge, and obviously there's a trail that leads down here towards a small little pedestrian bridge out there. Let me see how it looks in this area. See right there, that's where the creek ends, or the parking lot, and it goes back into the creek, which is released back into the regular creek with the trees and branches and all that stuff. Sorry, bro. Go on. See. Guy there is just wondering what I'm doing with the camera. Got a little treasure box. Yep, nothing else to see, but the curious part is when it gets flooded down here. And when it rains one day, maybe I'm around the area, I'm gonna come and check again and make another video, kind of, you know, see how it looks when it rains out here, how it floods down there in the parking area. But so far it's quite interesting how a parking lot, river, turns into a parking lot, and then it turns to a river again, or storm drains pretty much. None of this, there's nothing else to see besides that. It's just my curiosity quest to see how it looks, the close range. And right now, well, it's summer and there's no such thing as water here. A few droppings here and there, but that's all the scale that's down here anyways.